maintaining a legacy classic ASP web application, and encountered IDC files. These are very old database connector files from early Microsoft web technology. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Internet Database Connector files do and how to handle them. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening IDC files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. An IDC file is a server-side script used by Microsoft's Internet Information Services, IIS, to connect a web page to an ODBC database. It contains database query information, including the data source name, DSN, username, and the SQL template file, ponce.htx, used to format the results for dynamic content generation. This is a plain text file containing key value pairs that define the database connection parameters. Its simple text-based design allows web developers to easily create and edit database queries without complex coding, acting as a configuration bridge between the web server and the backend database for legacy web applications. For full editing functionality, IDC requires Microsoft Internet Information Services, IIS, which is supplied by Microsoft Corporation. The file's internal manifest must be processed by a trusted system-level application. Windows does not execute scripts automatically, so they must be run through a supported runtime or shell. To bypass the default application error, right-click the IDC file and choose Open With. Prioritize Microsoft Internet Information Services, IIS, if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for a viable decoder. If your IDC file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The system is rejecting the file for specific technical reasons. Before we apply the universal fix, let's review the most common causes of the failure. First, opening in text editor. IDC files are plain text and open in any text editor including Notepad Visual Studio Code or Notepad++. The structure displays clearly showing data source connection, SQL query, and template references. Edit the file directly to modify queries or update database connections, though the technology is largely obsolete in modern web development. Next, configuring on IIS. To run IDC files, configure Internet Information Server with HTTP ODBC DL handler mapping for the .idc extension. This functionality is available only in older IIS versions and requires registry configuration on Windows Server systems. Modern IIS versions removed IDC support, requiring migration to ASP.NET or other current web frameworks. Finally, migrating to modern tech. Migrate IDC functionality to modern web technologies such as ASP.NET, MVC PHP, or Node.js with proper database libraries. Translate the SQL queries and template references into modern equivalents using parameterized queries and templating engines. This transition provides security improvements, maintainability, and compatibility with current web hosting environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.